boy finna go hunting. Yeah, got the 10 mil. Gonna grab the 308 out of here. I ain't gonna take the 300 blackout this time. Probably do another hunt with the 300 blackout pistol. But we finna try to get it, YouTube. Yes, sir. We finna get it. I'll hit y'all up when I'm headed to the woods. Gotta find somewhere to hunt now. 308. Oh yeah. Finna try to get it. Trying to rain, but my dad came over here earlier and seen a pretty good side deer, so we're gonna try to see what we can get. And I'm gonna try my best to record the shot for y'all, man. So I'm gonna take y'all on this hunt with me, man. Second hunting video. Hey y'all, like, subscribe, follow, chill with your boy Deer Me 2 times. 10 mil, 308. So if they close enough, I'm gonna try to take them with the 10 mil. I'm gonna try to go up in here, waiting on my dad and them to get out the truck. Dad and brother. Rinsed off. My pops done rinsed off now. So I'm gonna find me a spot to hunt. Up in here. We've been hunting on this property for a few years now, so let's see what we can do, man. See what we can bag this evening. There's a scrape right here on this tree right there. I'm gonna try to zoom it in. It looks like they've been hitting it pretty hard, so it's probably a big buck. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and get on the other side of this little valley and see if I can catch them passing. He probably coming right through here. I don't think I'm gonna get on that side of the road. I'm gonna get on this side. Take my chances from here. Yeah. Hopefully they get real inside book right over here. Hopefully. I want to get on this side. I'm gonna see, man. I'm trying to figure out which way. Wind blowing from that way, so I don't know. I got sat down, so I'm gonna see what I see out here right now. Clear me a little spot out on the ground, so I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna try to get this shot for y'all if I see some. My view is pretty decent, based upon where we hunted. Everywhere is kind of real thick. Don't really have real long shots, but I'm gonna do my best I seen some deer running, man. I was trying to get the camera up. I think my dad got a shot at one of them. I didn't. They were kind of running kind of fast, but I'm gonna sit here and see if they gonna come back. It was like maybe 3 or 4 bucks. We're gonna see what we can get. I'm a little excited right now. Behind that bush, I couldn't really get a shot on him. Then when my dad shot, he took off running. Hopefully I got a little bit on the camera. Go find my dad. Try to get that deer out of here. Got meat on the ground. My dad probably a little upset with it being a spike. I thought it was a doe too. It's kind of thick in here. I had 3 other bucks chasing it, but they never came over the hill where he was. So we're gonna try to drag that out of here. I'm gonna take this shot. I've been scraping all of them down through here. See that scrape? Ready to drag it out of here?
Yeah, hungry.
Oh, shit. Tired, boy. My dad got one. Cup face. Come on, drag him out of here, Cup. I guess I'll do it myself. Your boy tired. I ain't drugging that far. Maybe like 80 yards, 90 yards. I'm winded, boy. Too old to be dragging deer. Look at my dad.
Shit.
Working the heck out of me, man. He working the shit out of me. Man, my brother. Come on, help me out, boy. Hey, I'm gonna call y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all. See, that's how you know what I'm saying. I can't talk. We're gonna get back to the truck. I'll let you know. Well, I forgot to cut the camera back on. I got to clean the video, so yeah. I ain't let y'all know when I made it to the truck, but we got it there. I appreciate everybody watching, man. Thanks for the support and everything, man. I appreciate y'all guys.